One of the first things that you would do when you get the template is you would want to set it up with your own branding, right? If you're not going to use this template as it is, perhaps you have already done a branding and you've got your own logos and you've got your own colors and your own fonts and things like that. You would want to add that to the website. So there is this tab here called Design Settings. And in Design Settings, you'll be able to change the style of the site. Okay. And that will be whether it's fonts or colors. Okay. To let's say you want to quickly just upload some fonts before we get touch into everything else. You've got your own fonts, you want to upload them. We have these ones already here that are preloaded, but you have some fonts that you want to upload. So let's say also maybe you don't feel like purchasing the California Palm script. You want to maybe substitute it with something else. Carol has suggested using the Satisfy font. So let's add that one quickly. So if I type in here, Satisfy, okay, here it is over here. Okay, it's going to, you'll get different choices. Perhaps the style would be maybe like a different type of weight. So like this Montserrat Light here and Montserrat Medium, you'd be adding each and every single type of font weight. You would just add the Google font, okay? And you would just save it. Right, so let's just go back in here, okay? If you have your own custom fonts, it's very, very important that they are WOF files. It's not going to accept any like true type fonts or open type fonts or anything like that. It has to be a WOF file. You would just upload the font here and go through the process of adding your custom font here. Very, very important that you own licenses to fonts. Okay. And in the branding page, you will also see, like, for instance, like this California Palm script and the editor's note, that those two are editor's note is a font that you would have to purchase a license for. Okay, so we've added a font. Let's quickly jump into the site style. You can see over here, I am able to, by clicking on here, I can change any one of these colors. Okay, so let's just quickly make this like a true black. Okay, and you'll see that this has changed color over here. So you would just go and add your colors. You can either just drag, as we've done there, or if you have the number, you would just add the hex number. Okay. Then on the left hand side here, we have the view for our fonts. Okay. And then to the right here, we have a mobile preview and we have the desktop preview. So you're doing your settings between two things. Okay, and this is even just building when you're changing things within the site itself. The template is that you need to take notice of what's happening on a desktop or a laptop view. Okay, and then you have your mobile view. That's very, very important because at the end of the day, most people will most probably be looking at your site through mobile. Okay, so over here, we would just choose any of our colors. As you can see here, now that we've set up those colors up at the top, there will be choices for us. So if I choose it to be this color or this color, you will see they will change across the board. Okay, so if you want the mobile to be different to the desktop, you would kind of just press these three buttons here and then split the choices. Okay, so if I do that, my mobile, I want it to be this color, and then the desktop would be that color. But most likely you're going to keep it the same right across the board. So we're just going to merge it. Okay, we're going to change it back to the black. Okay, this is the sizing. So if I change the sizing, you can just see it goes really big. And then if we go small, it goes really, really small. So this is just the preset size that any single time that you add any one of these elements, whether it be your title, your heading, your subheading, or paragraph, okay, it'll be a preset size. Okay, so from the top level, you can you'll be changing your colors, your fonts, and stuff. So let's go ahead and then say, right. So we've got the California Palm script, okay, which is this script over here. I am not going to purchase the license for it, but I have added it as one of my pre-chosen fonts. So we have chosen Satisfy. As you can see here, if I choose Satisfy, it'll change it right across the board. But we're going to keep it as California Palms script. So just seeing what we've done here. So once you've, and then this is the last one, just the background, you can change it to also whatever color you feel that next time you add a brand new canvas, okay, this is the color that it will automatically choose. So like I say, this is just your top level settings for fonts, colors, and stuff like that. Okay, so we've added all those things, and then just to show you, oh yeah, let's close without saving, but you would want to save that. If I go and I select any one of these elements, okay, so now I have changed my colors, okay, and I don't like this over here, so I can just go to the canvas background and I can change the color to white. I can also change it to green. These colors are preset for me, even though I can change them here, but it's always nice just to be able to do things very, very quickly. Okay. Also, adding fonts. I will show you how to add and change these things, but just to show you quickly, we just got to choose in this section over here. I just want to quickly add a title, okay, and there it is. It's how we have set it in the design settings, okay, at 84, and it is this color, okay. So let's delete that. All right. So in this video, what we've done is we've just covered the design settings. And really, at the end of the day, if you're not going to change the template and you have, well, you're going to change the template to how to suit more your branding, this is how you would go about doing it.